Hello my beautiful friends, Kristina here, coming to you from the beautiful Bali. If you've been watching my Instagram for the past month and a half, then you'll know that I've been here hosting and teaching at my FullyRaw retreats. We've just wrapped up my October retreat and my November retreat begins tomorrow. It's been such an incredible experience and I've been fully immersed in helping to transform the lives of those who've come to share this incredible experience with me. Because of that, I really wanted to share with you a day in the life / what I ate today video, sharing with you not only my life here in Bali, but also the lives of those who've been able to come on these retreats with me and to share with you these precious snippets and moments that have brought me so much joy, and I know that these moments have meant so much to those who've come to these retreats as well. So without further ado, I'm excited to share this really special video with you. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
The experience, it was a magical trip. I haven't felt so much love and energy in this entire group. We came here as individuals and nobody knew each other, but we are leaving like a family.
So this trip was all encompassing, spiritual, mental, physical. You know, we'd exercise every single day, we would eat healthy every single day. We were expressing our feelings and just discussing with like-minded people. So it was all encompassing.
About what breathwork has brought for each of us. And feel your lungs opening on the inhale and relaxing on the exhale.
Kristina knows how to fill your belly. So following her YouTube channel and cooking the meals, learning how to cook the meals in the kitchen, and then going to the restaurants and seeing, you know, the gourmet raw food, but also like the simple things that you can make out of it, I was just blown away. Bali is that healing vortex of an island. So going into their sacred waters, to be able to go there and feel that water, rushing over you, it's a transformational experience.
This is something we'll never forget, because you can forget what's been said, what's happened, but you will never forget the feeling, and this energy is never to be forgotten.